One of the ways scientific notation will show up in chemistry is through the metric prefixes. We know that each metric prefix has a symbol and name which signify a unique power of 10. For this part of the lecture, you will need Table 1.6 from your text, so pause the video so you can turn to the table in your textbook. We're going to learn how to write a conversion equality or factor between a prefixed unit and its corresponding base unit. I'm going to show you how to do this stepwise, and although it may seem cumbersome to follow steps, I can assure you that if you follow the steps, you will not be wrong. The first thing you want to do is identify the base unit and the prefixed unit. This example asks us to determine the conversion factor between Ng and its base unit. The first thing we do is identify, identify the prefixed unit, which is Ng. Lowercase n, lowercase g stands for nanogram, so the prefix is nano. The base unit is gram. We know by looking at table 1.6 that nano stands for 10 to the negative 9th, or a billionth. Now we can begin writing our equality. To start, we always write 1 equals 1. On the left-hand side, we leave some room after the number 1. Next, we write the base unit on each side. The base unit will be the last thing on each side of the equal sign, so leave room between the number 1 and the base unit. The last step is to write the prefix and its power of 10. On the left-hand side, write the prefix symbol directly in front of the base unit, and on the right side, write times 10 to the correct power. In this case, it is negative 9. Since nano means 10 to the negative 9th power. Our conversion factor is written. Notice that the prefix and the power of 10 are on opposite sides of the equal sign. You will always be given Table 1.6 for quizzes. Remember, the prefix and power of 10 are on opposite sides. You are allowed to write conversion equalities on your note card, and I recommend that you do so.